with a round of applause, Srimati Rakhi Bakshi ji.
Thank you so much. And I take on from your time limit and management. Being a TV journalist, it comes very naturally to us. We know each second and the value of it. So thank you. I'll try and, within a limited span of time, I would like to talk about my experiences. So as I sit here amidst all of you, thank you very much, MIT, first of all. We are at a, am I audible? So we are at a venue, and I think it's very interesting to also see this confluence of journalism, and thank you very much, first of all. To talk about conflict journalism, I think it's a very interesting experience also because I have covered two wars. One was Kargil in 1999, and second was Iraq war. Kargil I did when I was in Jammu and Kashmir, and so one saw the perspective, as an Indian reporter. Of course, it was our land where we were reporting, so that was a different experience. And Iraq, where we actually represented India in a foreign country, was a different experience. But I would also like to take another angle here. Sir, you were talking about whose side are we, what do we understand when we stand there as war reporters? 2 points I would like to take up. One, that I think what you have to also understand that it's about people. Who gets most hurt, who gets most affected, who gets most disturbed also, so to say, by the war. It's about people. So I think standing there, we have to really, first of all, understand, because I can tell you one small experience when I was in Iraq. I went to a house which was destroyed altogether, and there was a lady, and this was a very devastated place, and I went there, and I was reporting from morning to evening. That lady who had lost everything, all her relatives, everything that she had in her life, when I was coming back after taking her bite on the war, she asked me, have you eaten anything? And if you haven't, let me give you this one piece of bread that I have. So this is humanity world over that we have to remember. And that's what, I think, in this University of Peace, we have to remember that finally what is our goal, what is this journey leading us to. Also, as a woman journalist, I would say in Kargil, I'm sharing experiences. I go there, and when I landed, due courtesy to my colleagues here, there were 35 male journalists when I was there, Hotel Siachen. And we really, really reported. All of us were reporting again day and night. But I must say that there were problems. We have come a long way. But when we talk about especially women journalists, I would take 2 minutes on that also. When we talk about women journalists, I think more courage, more power to them that they're doing it, because they really, really do it in much odds, I must say. There are problems of hygiene as to where do they relieve themselves. There are sanitation problems sometimes which nobody understands maybe. I remember I was really literally searching for a toilet because all the doors the villages were closed literally. So things like that, but we don't tell about that, we tell stories. Because the one thing that really, really gets you going is that what is my countrymen, that was Kargil, are going to watch. So I have to report for them, I have to get going. And that is the kind of mission that all of us as reporters, I think, get into and report. So there is that jazba, there is that feeling that there is there in reporters. And we see soldiers around. And we see the kind of blood and sweat, literally, that they're shedding. And I think these are the influences. I came back from Kargil a different person, a different Rakhi altogether, and I go to Iraq. And I see the world. I mean, we will also, sir, take a minute on. So there was embedded journalism. I think these are matters of debates which would take longer time to talk about the subjectivity, whose side we are in, what kind of journalism happening. But I think one thing which should be there is that integrity of approach as journalists that we are always kind of swear by. I think that's very important. We have to also understand that we were talking about the power of citizens in today's society and their role, but we are talking about digital media. So yes, we are messengers. We have to speak the right things, what we see, the facts. And I think these are the core values, whether as general journalists or conflict reporters, I think we have to remember and understand. But I think I'll give it to other journalists, not taking much of time. Thank you so much. And we should have more debate, more time on this. Thank you.